of other stocks which will also be on our radar today, and there's not much to speak about, but I'm going to talk about Dhani Services. Again, this is where we understand that the company has raised about 406 crores through the issue of convertible warrants. So this one will be on everyone's radar this morning. Besides that, we have PNC Infratech. Now, do remember that PNC Infratech has run into some trouble with the NHAI of late, and among the latest development is that the company has received an in-principle approval from the NHAI for the transfer of 100% stake held by PNC Infra Holdings in its arms to Highways Infrastructure Trust. Now, it's going to be a wait and watch as to what the complete repercussion or what the complete meaning of this particular transfer is. But I'd reckon that, because of the fact that there are some challenges with respect to PNC Infra of late in terms of receiving new orders from the NHAI unless and until they remedy certain aspects of their operations. Well, I reckon this is one of those, moves towards that remediation. And, SJVN, of course, it's signed another MOU with the government of Bihar for the development of about 1,000 megawatts of, pump storage project. And PSP is the big buzzword when it comes to hydro projects specifically. And I guess SJVN continues to make headwinds into that particular area, Neeraj.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so those are a few on Agam's radar. I'm just trying to pull up a few on my radar in the session today. So I'll watch out for Indotech Transformers. It gets a thumbs up, and maybe with reason. They've announced plans to enhance capacity by adding 6,500 MVA, bringing the total capacity of the company to about 16,000 MVA by March 2027. This is about a 60% increase in capacity for Indotech Transformers. Certainly watch out for this one. Everything which is in the transformer space is Trill, Indotech, etc., is seeing some very strong growth, and therefore the capex that they're talking about. Though I mean, look at the kind of moves that Indotech has had in the last 12 months, right? So I'll watch out for Indotech Transformers today. Let's see. It's not a very high capex that they're putting up per se, just that the expanded capacity is fairly large, 60% over 3 years or 2 years maybe. So not bad. Let's wait and watch. Dynacon Systems, it's received a turnkey data center IT infrastructure augmentation project of Canara Bank for 280 crores. Maybe Dynacon has some positives in trade. I thought Kalpataru projects was interesting. Hitherto we've been consistently reporting about the kind of order flows that KEC International has gotten, but Kalpataru has gotten orders worth 1,011 crores. This takes the YTD inflows to over 17,300 crores, so fairly strong for Kalpataru, and certainly something to keep an eye out for. So watch out for this one as well. So these are the top three, but I dare say, I mean, there might be a few other things that you want to watch out for. Agam, I'll just take a minute to maybe highlight a couple of others as well. So BMW Industries is one, has secured long-term work orders worth 188 crores and 176 crores. So I'll watch out for that. I'll watch out for some price volume buzzers from yesterday. Look at the price and volume action. We speak about how volumes are usually thin, but this is volumes relative to 2-week average. So they take into account the 2-week average, and then the volumes are northwards of 5 times or 6 times in most cases. Wrights, Reddington, GMR Power, Avanti Feeds up 13% because there was an Incred note yesterday which spoke about how some of the feed stocks or the export of shrimps into the world markets from India has expanded. Look at the price volume action in some of those stocks. So I would keep a keen eye out for these.